Today is a lit vlog. For many reasons, we're headed to beautiful Las Vegas. We are flying out of Newark. Our flight leaves at 9:20. It's currently 3:49 p.m. We're probably about 3 hours, 20 minutes away. Our flight is overbooked. There are no more seats. We don't actually have a seat. We booked basic economy tickets, so they assigned us a seat at the airport, but the flight is sold out. There are no other seats. There's one ticket left, and it's in first class. So somebody out there is getting bumped on this flight. Will it be us? Stay tuned. Hey Holly, you know what I can't wait for? What? The next Nicolas Cage movie to come out. We ended up getting seats. Good news is that they're actually economy plus tickets. Holly has purchased some overpriced food.
It was only $9.
It was $9. What'd you get?
I got a cold chicken sandwich and a Mountain Dew.
So our flight is delayed until 9:47. Just a 30-minute delay. They don't have a plane here. We're gonna land in Las Vegas at 11:51 p.m. And there are 3 behind us. I don't know about you guys, but I can't wait for the next Nicolas Cage movie to come out. You like Nicolas Cage, Holly?
No.
I can't believe they let you on the plane, Holly. Alright, so this is a United Economy Plus seat. A lot more legroom than normal, for sure. Guys, I seriously can't express how much of a difference this actually makes. Normally, in a standard economy with United, this would be like right up on me. With this, I got all this space. They obviously have slot machines in the airport, but they have Wheel of Fortune, which is my dad's favorite slot machine game. All right, we're at Las Vegas Airport. We're actually staying at the Mandalay Bay. Just like last weekend, Holly's reviewing this hotel and resort. And as you can hear, I'm obviously very tired. It's like 3 a.m., maybe 4 a.m. our time on the East Coast. It's nice and toasty out here, isn't it, Holly?
So hot.
It's really hot. Yeah, so we're not gonna go to Fremont Street. I think we're just gonna hang out at the hotel tonight. We're just worn out. Holly has to be up at 7:30.
No, actually from Newark.
Really?
Yeah.
For the weekend?
Yeah.
You work 30 hours?
30 hours, and then we're
You
going.
guys must be crazy like I am.
Alright guys, we have checked into the Mandalay Bay. Like I said, we're hanging out here at the hotel tonight. It's literally 1 a.m., aka 4 a.m. our time. And we've been up since this morning. We're both worn out. So we're going to hang out here tonight. Tomorrow night we're going to go ham. But Sunday morning, which is, you know, tomorrow night, Saturday, it's Sunday, so Sunday morning we have to leave like super early. But nonetheless, let's get to the room tour and then we'll wrap this vlog up. Upon entering the room, you've got this nice piece of art, a lovely mirror. Very nice, actually, very nice bedroom area. Big king-size bed, like the colors a lot. Nice mix of color. Nice TV entertainment area. And then here is the bathroom. Very nice and luxurious. Nice big soaking tub. Of course, the stand-up shower. And then in here, you've got a separate shitter. So you can do your business in here while somebody does their business in here. But one thing, there's no bidet. Where am I gonna clean my buttocks? What is
So
it?
tired.
Your eye, look at me.
I'm so tired.
Let's show us your eyes. Alright, so the view is all of the pools. They call it the beach area, I believe. There's a lot of pools. They have a lazy river, Holly, I think. So yeah, that's it. Very nice. Alright guys, I'm gonna wrap this vlog up. Thanks so much for watching. Sorry we didn't go out and enjoy the town, but you gotta understand, it's 4 a.m. our time, and we're worn out. We just got to the hotel, but tomorrow's gonna be a fun day. Stay tuned. I'll see you tomorrow. Alright guys, until next time.